Whoa, that's a nice sized fish.
Oh my gosh.
I think that's a bass. I can't see it yet. Man, I can't get him in. Such light, my line is so light. Can't power him in here. Oh, that is a nice bass. That's a bass. That's a monster. I'm worried about him snapping my line. I gotta get him all the way up to me here. I can't, I got nothing. I need a net. I think I'm just dragging him. Man, he is beefy. He's beefy. Oh my goodness, this is what I was hoping for, coming here. Big old bass.
Oh my
Look at that.
God.
Whoa. Woohoo. Woohoo. That is a beautiful fish.
Oh my gosh.
That is a fatty.